In this video, I'll show you the different brush strokes of the round brush versus the dagger brush versus the petals brush. Watch until the end to learn more. In my previous video, I showed you the brush strokes the dagger brush can make. This time, I'll show you the differences between the round brush, dagger brush, and the petals brush. Let's start with the round brush. This is a silver black velvet round brush size 6. This brush is round with a fat belly and a pointed tip. Aside from that, this brush is a mix of synthetic and squirrel hair that can hold lots of water. This is highly recommended brush if you like painting loose flowers and landscapes. This silver black velvet round brush has a pointed tip that can create thin lines when you use the tip of the brush. It can also make big and fat brush strokes, and it can create beautiful C strokes for the rose. This is a dagger brush from Mont Marte size 1/8. It's made from synthetic hair and the body is flat with a curved tip. This is a recommended brush shape if you are into painting loose flowers. Lastly, I have a petals brush from Princeton Velvet Touch size 8, or it's called the triangular brush. It has a very pointed tip and the body is triangular or triangle. This brush can create expressive and beautiful brush strokes. I hope you find this video helpful. I appreciate if you tap the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and remember to tap the notification bell so YouTube will let you know if I uploaded a new video. This time, I'll paint a 5-petal flower so you can see the differences in the brush strokes. Tap the playlist at the top or check the link in the description box if you want to know more about the petals and the dagger brush. Which brush has the most beautiful brush strokes for loose flowers? Which brush do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I suggest watching this video next to know more about the petals brush.